Hi, in this video, I will show you how to verify digital signature in PDF or how to validate signature in PDF. The first thing you can try is to download and install Adobe Acrobat. Just open your browser, then type in this Adobe Acrobat reader. Go on the first link. Here, download and install it. After you've done that, open Adobe Acrobat. Here, if there's a PDF where you want your signature to be validated or to be verified, go on these three dots and go where it says Preferences. Here, go under Signatures. Go under Verification and click More. Here, make sure you untick this so it says Require Certificate Verification Checking to succeed whenever possible during signature verification. Untick this, click on OK, and cancel. So here, if it still appears like this, first you have to click on the PDF. Then after you click on the PDF, make sure you put it under the Trusted Certificates option. Click OK and apply. And after that, it will turn green and you're done.